Do you want to start earning money by testing programs and applications? I will show you how to make $400 per month or more without any special skills right from your home. My course costs just $9.99, and in 3.5 hours you will learn all the basics of software testing, and you will have everything you need to start earning. On crowd testing platforms, you can earn just like I did. I made $400 in one night, completing 21 test cases. It's real. You will learn to find bugs, write reports, and your earnings depend only on you. I will show you how to register on platforms, pass the entry tests, and start participating in paid projects. You will get step-by-step instructions and tips to increase your earnings. Right now the course is only $9.99. This isn't just training, it's real start for your software testing career. Sign up for the How to Earn Money by Testing Software course right now and take your first step toward a stable online income.